Friday, November 8th. Look at this. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Some people wonder why I get rammy or rambunctious about harvesting crops and trying to get done in a timely manner. This is why. Like, look at the snow on the truck. We get what's called lake effect snow. And basically, it's a line of precipitation or snow that comes off the lake and it just dumps snow. And it dumped close to a foot of snow on us last night. Like, I've never seen this much this early for November 8th. So today's job is to get the snow blade on the loader tractor, and we have to push all this out of the way, because if we don't, it will pack down and kind of freeze to the ground, and then it makes the yard really slippery. And when we can get back to harvest at some point, we don't want ice in the yard. So that's the job today. I was smart enough yesterday afternoon to put the loader back on our tractor, so we have a loader on it again, and I have to put a blade on the front of it, but I have to move a telehandler and a fork, pallet forks, to get at it. So I'm going to grab a chain here in the shop, hook it on to the telehandler to move the pallet forks, and then I can get the snow pusher blade on. Okay, we're gonna do this job. We're not gonna like it. We don't have a choice. It's just farming in the lake effect area of Ontario where we get snow. It's a little, I don't know, frustrating that it happens when we don't really need it. We could have used rain in July and August, but no, let's have a foot of snow, 8th of November. It is what it is. I'm not going to moan and groan about it. I might a little bit actually, but it's a job we got to do, so I'm going to move snow. And the tough part about this job, you actually have to be strategic about it, because it's not going to melt super quick. We will lose this snow, or a vast majority of it, but when we pile snow, it doesn't melt as quick. So we have to make sure that we don't pile snow where we need to get into later. I have some wagons on grass over here, I'll show you. So we got the wagons over there, we got some tractors and stuff over there. So we have to make sure that we can still get all that stuff out. So we are going to have to pile snow in different areas, and the worst part about all this is the ground's not frozen underneath. So we have gravel laneways or yards, and if you aren't careful with the blade on the front, you can start peeling gravel. The worst part about all this is I just put a whole bunch of fresh gravel on our laneway, and it is going to be a horrible, horrible thing to try to clean snow off of. But just gotta do it. Just unbelievable. It's so hard to push this snow because it's wet. It's melting underneath, so it's kind of sloppy on the bottom and drier on top, I guess. But I would see if I can throw you in here somewhere that you're not going to fall off, but it's kind of hard to do this without two hands. So we're getting there. It's going to take most of the morning.
This is ridiculous.
You gonna clean it off?
Yeah.
Too early for that. Right there. And it's too early to have snow piles around. But farming in Ontario is how it goes. So, snow, corn harvest on pause. And it's a freaking beautiful day if they didn't have all the snow, but it's melting fairly quickly. But I guess we'll just have to patiently wait till we get back to the field. Sometime corn harvest will resume and we'll be ready.